In this video, I will show you how to add new users into your Mixpanel account. First, we need to log in into your Mixpanel account. Navigate to the desired project. Go to Settings by clicking on the cog icon. As you can see, I am here as the project admin. Only the project admin can add and invite new users. Go to Project Settings. Under the project settings, go to Project Users. You are now in the Current Users tab. You can see the current users in the project. Go to Invite Users. Add the email of the person you want to invite. Click here. Select a role. Can be a consumer, admin, or analyst. Let's pick analyst. And click Invite. In the invited users, you can see the user you have just invited. In case the user didn't get any invitation, you can go to this tab, Other, and click Resend Invite. Thank you.